In this video, I will explain you how to convert XBRL file into PDF file. First, open the AOC-4 file. Then go to attachment section and save the XML file which you desire. Just save this file anywhere. Now open the XBRL tool. Now head over to download section and download the concerned C&I taxonomy. It will take some minutes to get loaded. One eternity later. Yeah, now it is loaded. Now go to file section and open the concerned XML file. And again it will take some time. Yeah, it is processed now. Now go to file section and then export the PDF. I will show you the file. This is the converted PDF.